What's up guys, this is how I make an extra 10k a month. As you can see guys, for the month of September, here are my earnings. Ito yung mga earnings ko, mga commission ko for this September. And here are my withdrawals so far. So 3k, 1k, 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 1k. So meron pa akong mga pending na commissions na dadating. So tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ko to ginawa. So step 1 guys is pili lang kayo ng niche nyo and then create kayo ng bagong TikTok account. So yung pinili kong niche is Filipino facts, and ito yung TikTok account ko. As you can see, 92k followers. As you can see, this is my TikTok account. So let's view the analytics. So as you can see, in the last 7 days, I have 600k views by making videos like this. So I will show you how to create videos like this in less than 10 minutes. So next step na gagawin natin is gawa tayo ng script like this. So gawa ka ng script like this, mga Filipino facts. So, search nyo lang sa Google. And then, pag meron na kayong script, copy nyo lang yan. And then punta kayo dito guys sa website, 11labs.io. So, ano to? Text-to-speech AI tool. So, click nyo lang yung generate. And then, download nyo yung audio. Next guys is punta kayo sa TikTok and search nyo lang satisfying videos and mag-download kayo ng maraming satisfying videos. So para to sa background natin. Alright guys, so sa editing part na tayo, punta tayo sa CapCut. Doon tayo mag-edit ng videos natin. So as you can see guys, ito yung audio na download natin dun sa 11 Labs. And then, ito naman yung mga background videos. And then, pag natapos na kayo mag-edit, nalagyan nyo na ng captions. Export nyo lang. And then, last step is i-upload nyo yan dito sa TikTok account mo. So, how do you make money with these videos? So, comment how for part 2 and follow for more.